Welcome to the Medical and Health Information Literacy tutorial. This is Leah Al-Hnaini from Saab Medical Library. We have discussed previously the different features of the bibliographic databases, which are the explode and the focus. If I want to take it into Instagram analogy, I will be discussing about the mesh tree about my father. Let's consider my father being the broadest mesh. More indented is myself, and even more indented is my daughter. So this is level number 1, this is level number 2, and this is level number 3. My father has 10 Instagram followers. I have 100, and my daughter has 300. So if I explode my father, I'll be taking his Instagram followers, mine, and my daughter's. So, in total, we will be having 410 Instagram followers. Now, in the analogy of the focus, close friends of my father are 5. Mine are 50. And my daughters are 60. So, if I focus my father, I'll only be taking 5 close friends of his. So, 5 followers. In the mesh tree, it means 5 articles heavily talking about my father as a mesh. If I focus Layal, I'll be talking about 50 Instagram followers. If I focus Leah, I'll be talking about 60 Instagram followers. What if I focus my father and I explode him? I'll be taking 50 plus 60 plus 5 Instagram followers. Hence, I'll be having a total of 115 Instagram followers, rather 410. Heavily talked about, plus anything that is broad mesh and everything narrower to it. So I'm ORing, I'm plussing, I'm increasing the results that I'm getting when I'm exploding. However, I'm choosing the heavily talked about meshes. So if I explode Layal by itself, I'm getting 400 Instagram followers. If I'm exploding and focusing Layal, I'm getting only 110 Instagram followers. It's nonsense to explode Leah because there's nothing underneath it. So whether it is I explode Leah or not, I'm always gonna get 300 Instagram followers. However, if I focus Leah, I'll be getting 60 Instagram followers. Just a note, sometimes we mess up and think that this number is the summation of all the records that are related to this mesh or any of the narrower meshes. No. These records are only the records that are related to this mesh. So the number of results that are talking about this mesh and this mesh only, not everything underneath it. So Leah, actually, which is the narrowest mesh, has 300 Instagram followers or 300 articles that are talking about this mesh in particular. Leah is also present in her father's mesh tree. Does the number of Instagram followers change, or the number of articles, if we want to put it into the medical database setting, change if it belongs into this mesh tree or the other mesh tree? No. Take care of this note. The only thing that would change is the broader mesh following Leah. So instead of Layal, it would be Dad, if I were to choose Leah from the other mesh tree.